Hi everyone, and welcome back to our Apple Shortcuts course. Today we will be learning about how to use repeat actions with shortcuts. Repeat actions allow groups of actions to run multiple times in a row. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to use repeat actions to enhance your shortcuts. Let's get started. We will be building a shortcut to demonstrate the use of repeat actions. Our shortcut today will display details for each day in the weather forecast. Let's create a new shortcut and name it Weather Forecast. First, we need to add the action Get Weather Forecast. Next, we add a Repeat with Each action to create a repeat loop. The repeat loop will repeat through each day in our weather forecast. Then we can add a text action to the repeat loop. We will use the text action to format the output of our forecast. The repeat with each action provides a special variable called repeat item. In this case, the repeat item variable includes forecast details for each day. Let's add repeat item to the text action. We change the repeat item variable to date. And then we can customize the date format to output the day of the week. Let's add another repeat item variable to the text action and set it to display the weather condition for that day. We can repeat this process for high temperature, low temperature, and chance of precipitation. Finally, we can add a Show Result action to display the forecast. And that's it. The shortcut is now complete. Let's run the shortcut. The shortcut displays a list of days along with weather details for each day. That's all for today's lesson. Thanks for participating. Until next time, keep creating shortcuts.